YouTubes, we are on the way to KOA in Toledo for Memorial Weekend, but next year we are leaving on Thursday. Look what Friday traffic brings us with construction. Big old backup. What's up, girls? You want to say something?
Yeah, hi guys. We're just on our tablets going to, and when we get there, our friend's gonna be there, so we'll show you that soon. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We are off the turnpike and headed towards KOA, baby. Everyone's got their campers out. We are rocking and rolling. We will be there in 3 minutes, according to the GPS. But with traffic, you know that's probably more like 6.
No.
What do you think, girls? Gosh, here we go.
Campground right here. Here we go. This is where we're staying for the weekend.
Hey, look at the playground.
Registration.
Hey, look, there's a little dog cleanup area. Oh, if that was the pool, I don't think
That wasn't a very good
that
pool
was a good
anyways, girl.
pool anyway, so you were fine. Our camper's bigger.
Please pull up to here.
Okay. All right. We gotta go in and.
Are they
I don't think
towing
you have to go
a
in.
car?
I think
Wait.
so.
Corny's talking to the neighbor.
Probably will kitty now.
Yeah, they could. Miss Kim could park it in her garage, huh?
It's cute in there.
Is it?
There was one bed in the back, like the back, that was the bed. The bed was back there, but so they'd have to climb. Girlfriend didn't have to. They made a sofa on the side, the beds, and then used that as like the sofa and storage.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
So that's why they have 2 beds right there, because he converted it to being 2 beds right there, and then the back was that because there was
Oh, it's just one big bed.
it was one bed. It was one bed.
She could park it in her garage. All right, YouTubes, we are all set up on site 604 and 605. Well, we got 604. My Broslaw came down from Michigan. He's rocking that Jeep Mojave Gladiator and the Viking. He's on site 605. We're on site 604. Nice, big, deep, long pull-through site. Probably 40-some feet, I'd imagine. We parked 2 cars on ours. So my truck and Lisa's car, both right over there. And plenty of room in front and I guess the front of my truck now. But lots of pull-through sites at this KOA. This is a KOA journey. This is kind of like a stop-through for most people. But the kids like the playground. Got the dumpster right at the drive there. I'll show you some more in a little bit. There's some mini golf. They normally have a pool, but it's closed. Right now it's not even Memorial Day yet. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, so I'm thinking it's going to open sometime this week. But we'll give you an overview of that coming up. YouTubes, well, we're in lovely Toledo, Ohio at the KOA. The children wanted to go out and adventure to mini golf. So we found Perry Falls Mini Golf, very close to the campsite. They also have the practice tee. Opens at 10 a.m. But we're gonna do the mini golf with the Kidderinos. Looks like they got a nice driving range here as well. They're already going in to pick out their color balls. I gotta catch up. We'll catch you on the other side. Put your ball down and hit it towards the hole.
Towards the hole.
No, go.
No, wrong.
Look at.
All right, easy, easy.
Who did it?
Isn't it Tim's turn? That's not their fault.
Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh.
I never said that. Oh, I get another top.
KOA in Toledo. Got some nice puppies over here. There's the bathhouse. There's Kenzie. Good morning, Kenzie. Lots of pull-through sites here. Nice big rigs coming through overnight. Our pods with rear kitchens. Looking good, looking good. Everyone's clearing out. It's Memorial Day. Most people stayed over the weekend or they're on to their new spot. Kiddos wanted to go to the park, so we'll give you an overview of the park. Probably cleared out already, girls. Huh? Kaylee, come over. Back up. Look at that. He's got 6 wheels. Yeah? 3 slides.
Such a little cute doggy. And that's the park.
The pool is closed. They said for maintenance, but don't look like no one's working on it, but should be opening up soon. It's Memorial Day. It's going to be 90 this week. Got a J flight. Looks like he's leaving. But not too big of a playground. But this is a journey KOA, so it's mostly like a stop through on your next destination. We actually stayed here because we went to the Mud Hens game Saturday night. It's a minor league baseball team. But they got